Hi guys, good morning, happy Monday. It is currently April 8th. If you are on that side of TikTok, if you are in the line of the eclipse, then you would know that today everyone has been making the eclipse big deal. I don't really care just because like it's so insignificant. I get that it like the next one is gonna be in like 2140 or something like that, but at the end of the day I don't really care. It doesn't really affect my life. Like I'm still gonna continue going to work and stuff. This is my Supergroup sunscreen that I cut open because I'm trying to get every last drop before I buy a new one during the Sephora sale. I also have this like random dry patch under my eye. I don't know if I need to get like a different hydrating under eye cream or something, but like let me know. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right here. It's like a little bit red. It looks like I have like some weird skin allergy or something. It's just like some random dry patch. Today I had a jam-packed day. I had to move some things around. It's currently around 8 o'clock and I had originally scheduled a HIIT workout class for 8 o'clock, but I had to cancel it because I have a meeting at 9:30 and my gym is kind of far from my house, so I wouldn't have made it back in time, which is fine because it's a virtual meeting. I just don't want to have to rush, and sometimes workout classes don't start on time. Then I have another meeting with one of my coworkers just to touch base every week. Then I have a chiropractor appointment, which is at 4:30, and I want to also maybe stop at the mall. I want to go to Showcase because I want to find specifically Sunny Angels. I went to Square One on Saturday and they did have them, but they only had the birthday ones and like the Easter ones, and I don't want those ones. And then I also want to find Smiskies. They had them there too, but they weren't the ones I was looking for. Like the options were not it, and if you know what those are, they're like blind boxes, so or like surprise boxes, so you don't know what they are. But I just really wanted ones that I'd actually be okay with getting, and none of them were okay. So, and I wasn't going to spend that kind of money because they are pretty expensive. I also am doing this like double bra situation. This black top is from Aritzia, pretty old. It's like the Bound tank, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Align tank. It is not as compressive as the Align tank, I will have to say. And then my bra is the Catalyst bra from NYX. I love doing this like double layer situation because this black one is not supportive at all. Like it's very much for yoga. This one underneath is very like, and I want to try running today. It is pretty gloomy, which doesn't make sense if we're having a solar eclipse. The temperature is starting to warm up, so whether I go on a walk or a run, it'll be my first run in about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. I was really into running in 2020, 2021 during the pandemic because it was COVID, and then I just fell off and I started weight training, which I still do. I also got into Pilates, so I do a lot of things. I want to try running again. Like, will my body hurt? 100%. Almost 8:30 and I'm about to start work, but I want to make some breakfast before anything. Also, my hair has been falling out so badly. I truly do look so rough this morning. It's actually crazy. Like, look at how pale I am. The fact that I have not been getting sun lately is quite evident. But anyways, I have my breakfast. I've been trying to eat more protein in general, but mostly in the morning. But I have some turkey bacon on an English muffin, and then I have some strawberries with some Nutella on the other half of the English muffin. If you can hear some noise, my sister is making a coffee with our espresso machine and the grinder is super loud. Considering that it is morning, a part of my morning routine is taking 2 of these. So they are the Irresistible Hair, Skin, and Nail Yummies from Irresistible Me. They are non-GMO, gelatin-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly gummies. They are obviously for your hair, skin, and nails, and I have been suffering from serious hair loss issues that I feel like nobody in their 20s talks about, especially girlies. But I feel like a lot of us have been experiencing it lately, whether it's stress, hormones, health issues, a combination of it. I remember seeing Michelle Reed talk about her hair loss issues, I think back in like 2020, 2021, and she had mentioned that hair loss issues typically occur 6 months after some sort of stressful event. So whether you are in the middle of some hair loss journey like I am, these have D biotin, vitamin C, and E, and they just taste super yummy. They are vitamin gummies because I am a little girl who cannot take vitamin pills. These are just so fun and they're so delicious. So you take 2 of these. Each container has 30 servings in it. I particularly like the ones that are the orange flavor. So I've been taking these since the start of April, and I've already noticed that my hair has been stronger and there's significantly less fallout from just taking these. I have taken other vitamins for hair, skin, and nails in the past. These are by far the best tasting ones. Each container has 60 gummies, so 30 servings a month, but they also have plans where you get 3-month subscriptions, so 3 bottles, or you can also get 6 months if you want to plan ahead, especially if you've been noticing significant hair loss. I'm going to insert a picture over here of what my hair currently looks like, the hair length, everything. I noticed that it's already getting a little bit more full. I can already see some hair growth just like at the top of my head. So I'm super excited. If you want to join me on my journey to hopefully strengthening my hair, I'm not so concerned about my skin or my nails, but obviously it does that as well. And if you want to join me on this hair growth journey, maybe you're also dealing with hair loss, come join me. I will have a link in the description box down below on this exact product. I will also leave a discount code on the screen as well as in the description box to save you a little money, especially if you want to join me. And then you can also save a little bit more money if you get one of the 3-month or the 6-month subscription. Check the link in my description box down below and join me on my hair, skin, and nail journey. I'll be updating you at the end of April as well as when I am done, so 3 months from now. That being said, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast because I have to hop on a meeting in about 30 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but I literally didn't see the eclipse here. That didn't happen. If you were in Niagara Falls, I think you saw it, but over here in Toronto wasn't really happening. But anyways, I am about to go to my chiropractor appointment. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Aritzia Divinity jumpsuit. Pretty sure it's the one that's like not the shorts though, the full pants. My sweater is the Diner Crew from Uncle Studios. Cute. I love it because it's like red. I got these shoes at the mall on Saturday. They are Asics. I don't even know. I just know that they're cute and they're kind of like a purple tint to it right over here and along different areas of the shoe. Was really looking for dad shoes. Actually, I wasn't really looking. I just happened to pass one of the shoe stores in Square One. I was like, oh my god, those are so cute. They very rarely will have my size, but I actually sized up to a 7 if you guys are looking for a pair of dad shoes. My appointment is at 4:30, but it's kind of, and around this time is usually traffic. I also did a bit of a run downstairs on my treadmill. I don't know if it's cold outside. Also, now that the eclipse is over, it's getting lighter outside again because it was super dark, but now it's not. Hi everyone, I had just gotten done with my chiropractor because follow-up appointments are like only 15 minutes. I almost said 45 minutes. They're pretty short, so I don't bother asking if I could film in there. Even though my chiropractor is super nice, it's just, they're so short. Like to set up everything it would just take way longer. I kind of have to wait here because there's a train and I can't go anywhere, but I want to stop by 2 different malls that are in the area because I'm looking for Sunny Angels and I'm also looking for Smiskey's. But this train looks like it's taking forever because I could see like the train here, but I can also see
like where it's coming from, and it looks like it's gonna take a bit, so I don't want to like turn on my car. It's also a beautiful day. Anyways, look at my nails, guys. I had originally painted my nails a couple days ago, and instead of like the pink French tips, they were silver chrome, but the chrome didn't set properly and it was peeling and it was disgusting. So I decided to do these. The base is Put It in Neutral by OPI, and the tips are a mixture of Funny Bunny and Lisbon Once More, I'm pretty sure. I think that they're really cute. They didn't actually take me that long. Sometimes when I'm doing my nails, it could either take me 1 hour, it could take me like 5 hours. There's no in between, but these ones are like so cute. They're really nice, neutral. I think that they make my fingers look long because they are pink. I can see that the train is ending. This person is driving really crazy in this parking lot. I'm going to, what is it called? Showcase in both Shoppers World and Bramley City Center because I am looking for Sunny Angels. I know that they have them. It's just about which series they have. I hate going to both of these malls, but I'm so determined to find these Sunny Angels and Smiskies. It's currently almost 9:45. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm currently getting ready for bed. I brushed my teeth, washed my face. The next thing I do is I take one of these. This is the magnesium pills that I take. Magnesium glycinate. Do not take the other ones because apparently that one makes you go to the bathroom, whereas this one makes you sleep really nice. If you've never taken magnesium before, don't expect it to knock you out like melatonin does. It really just calms your body and helps you stay asleep. My problem isn't going to sleep, my problem is staying asleep. You can also do the Sleepy Girl mocktail. This is just faster. My skincare routine has been all sort of whack solely because I've ran out of products. Like I've ran out of eye cream, serum. So I've been using the Dior Hydra Life Jelly Sleeping Mask. I found another one of these and I've been using this underneath as kind of my first moisturizer. I would typically do eye cream, then like a serum, but I don't have any, so we just have to move on from all that. My skin has been really dry lately, so I've been trying to pack on anything that will sort of hydrate it, especially like here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's just like some serious dry patches that are just so annoying. I go in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I'm almost done this. Like this is how much I have left. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like really at the bottom. I wanted to really love this. I just wish it was like a thicker consistency because if my skin is dry, it is dry and I want as much hydration as possible. I think I was just expecting it to be kind of like the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, the consistency of it, and it isn't. It's still very hydrating, but I wouldn't say it's my favorite moisturizer in the world, especially if you suffer from like really dry skin in the winter. You will need to pack on like a million moisturizers on top of this day to day. It is really good. Also, you can use the Ultra Repair Cream literally on any part of your body. Then I go in and I put in eye drops. My eyes get really dry, or the nights before I know I'm going to be wearing contacts, I make sure to put in eye drops so that my eyes are not super dry. On top of dry skin, I also have dry eyes, which is so cute. Now it looks like I'm crying, doesn't it? The last thing I do, I don't have my normal lip balm. I do use Carmex in the night, but this thing is literally to the bone. I have 2 of them. I need a refill on so many products. Like the very, very last thing that I do is I put on the L'Occitane hand cream. This stuff is thick. The only thing I don't love about this hand cream is that when I like scoop up my hand cream, it takes me forever to figure out how to put the cap back on. Make sure to put on hand cream because have you guys seen Kim Kardashian's hands? I would rather die than have my hands look old. And fun fact, your hands and your neck are the first thing to show your age. Yeah, it's better re-moisturizing. Put your moisturizer down your neck and put moisturizer on your hands. Okay, I am now in bed. I am about to wind down, relax. I always end the night off by reading my book. The book I'm currently reading is called Don't Let Her Stay. I don't know if you guys can see that. By Nicola Sanders. It's pretty interesting so far. I'll keep you guys updated. I think I'm only like 30% of the way in. 32%. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to join me on my hair growth journey, you want to try the Irresistible Hair, Skin, and Nail Yummies, I will have my code in the description box down below, as well as a link to the hair, skin, and nail vitamins. Follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys next time for another new video. Bye!